Hi, everyone. If you're practicing your writing or speaking on our website, you may have noticed this little icon right here. This is a new feature from Grammarly, a great online tool that can help you with grammar, vocabulary, and more as you write in English. Now, this sentence has two grammatical errors. By using Grammarly, I would be able to notice the errors as I'm practicing and learn from my mistake. If you don't have it yet, you can follow these steps. First, click on the green icon on your screen. From here, you'll see information about Grammarly. Click this green button, which will take you to Grammarly's website. Now, I am using Chrome today, but this download page may look different depending on the browser you're using. So I see Add to Chrome, but this might look different on a Safari or a Firefox browser. In any case, you'll want to click this green download button, which will then prompt you to add it to your browser. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome right here, and I will verify that I want to add the extension. You'll likely see the download starting below. And after a few short moments, Grammarly will be installed to your browser. You can either continue with Google or input your own email address here to complete the free sign-up process. Now that I've installed Grammarly, my mistakes are underlined for me, and I can see potential replacements and suggestions. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon with more specific examples of how Grammarly can help you improve your writing and speaking as you're practicing on our website.